Hi, it's Emma from Flying Start. Today I have a helper who is my daughter called Evelyn. So today we're going to be making some Puffy Paints. So the first thing we're going to do is talk you through what you will need to make your Puffy Paints. So to make the Puffy paint, you will need equal parts of PVA glue and shaving foam. You will need something to paint, so some type of brushes or even lollipop sticks. You'll need a bowl to mix everything in and something to colour your mixture. So we're going to try and use cinnamon, turmeric, paprika and some herbs to colour our mixture. You can also use paint or food colouring. We've got wet wipes just in case things get a bit too messy. And we've got a bowl just to lay everything out in to do our painting. And we've got some paper. First thing we're going to do is mix our glue and our shaving foam in the bowl.
Shall I do it now?
Off you go. Now we got that, we're going to add some ingredients to colour our mixtures. Shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Shaky.
Wow.
It looks like a tiger when he has fur on his head.
It does.
Because it's brown. Now, next block.
Wow. Wow.
Get all of it, don't we?
Look at that. So the benefits of Puffy Paint are we get an opportunity to discuss colours, different textures, and we can explore our senses with the different smells coming from the herbs and the spices that we choose to use. You could even make your own paintbrushes using twigs and sticks that you find on a nature walk, different leaves, you know, different flowers, even feathers. You can make your own handheld tools to paint with. And also it's really good for children's fine and gross motor skills. As you saw, Evelyn did lots of mixing and then she was using her fine motor skills to hold the paintbrushes to make marks on the paper. So thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. Bye.